Very good evening to each one of you. Myself, Dr. Priyanka Lukre from Mumbai. I welcome you all on behalf of Ignited Minds by PHF to this wonderful series of learning, Guruji Ke Saath Gurwar 2.0, that we started on 10th April 2025 under the mentorship of our Guruji Dr. Liaquat Namole sir. I would like to share a few words about PHF. PHF, that is Promisolon Homeopathic Forum, which was founded by Dr. Liaquat Namole sir with the vision to educate homeopaths and to transform GPs into homeopathy again. And he successfully transformed more than 200 GPs towards homeopathy till now. We organize various activities regularly so that we can reach to maximum homeopaths who are not able to practice homeopathy due to lack of proper guidance. Ignited Minds by PHF is a pioneer group for free learning of homeopathy. First started on WhatsApp and then we are on Telegram. Now about 3,000 doctors are learning daily on Telegram group. Recently, we completed a free webinar series of 100 lectures on Zoom, which are available on YouTube, our YouTube channel, that is Ignited Minds by PHF. This is our session number 30, 130. And now we are sharing a new series of lectures, What Women Want, to explore a woman's heart, emotions, and need to be able to hear her. We have already shared few emotions in the past 6 lectures, and today we are exploring another emotion with the case study with our esteemed speaker. I feel honored to welcome and introduce today's speaker, Dr. Anita Bajaj ma'am. Dr. Anita Bajaj ma'am is MD in Organon, and she's practicing in Mumbai since 1990. She has worked in ICR for about 10 years in urban and rural centers. She loves teaching and exploring new systems and remedies. She has studied all approaches and believes in learning from all schools of homeopathy. So without wasting much time, let's welcome Dr. Anita Bajaj ma'am. Welcome ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome
Thank you,
ma'am.
Anita.
Thank you.
And friends, Anita has huge fan following. I'm one of them. I have learned a lot from Anita. And the best part about Dr. Anita, she's my sister. And what I like about her is that the way she analyzes the case and takes into account holistic approach. It's not just that she practices, only on mental symptoms or something. Her understanding of the case as a person, as a whole, the sensations, the words, the talks, that is something that I've learned from Anita. And I really, every time I've watched all her lectures on YouTube and I follow her. Always I follow her. I'm very proud
Thank
to be a
you.
partner. Yeah. See you.
Thank you.
Over to you. Over to you, Anita. Over to you.
Okay, let's start with the case. So this series being understanding what women want. So my case is also based on that. I will share my PPT. So what women want. So this is a case of a young girl yearning for love. This is the title I have given it. 22 years old, Muslim, beautiful but depressed girl came with her mother-in-law. Now her mother-in-law is my old patient. I know the whole family. His son. And she has one daughter. She got married 2 years back and she has one daughter who is 4 months. Sorry, 1 year, 4 months old. She came with a complaint for which and her artery. That time her hemoglobin. Her complaint started after she conceived. She said, "Chalu ho gaya." This was her word. Pregnancy was challenging. sorry. Pregnancy was challenging. Even before she missed her period, she started getting vomiting. She couldn't eat anything. 15 to 16 vomitings in a day. She used to eat only bananas or biscuits or amras, mango juice. It continued throughout her pregnancy in spite of lot of medicines. And finally, she got frustrated and stopped all medicines. Nausea was troubling. Vomiting is still okay. वॉमिटिंग आ जाएगी तो फिर भी ठीक लगता है, लेकिन जो नौशिया था वो बहुत बुरा था. Her hemoglobin was 8, but it fell to 6 in third trimester, and she had to be given blood transfusion. So guys, keep attention on all her complaints. We have to see what is the psychosomatic understanding, very important in this case. At the time of her labor, her heartbeat started falling. Hence, she had to be taken for LSCS, cesarean. And there also she had PPH. So you see, from her pregnancy, so many complaints are going on. She had PPH. She got severe bleeding, clots, which continued for 15 days. Again, it started on and continued for 2 weeks. They had to do DNA. Doctor advised control bleeding, but as she was breastfeeding, she couldn't take it. She has to take PAUSE tablet to control her bleeding. Still, she bleeds heavily. Can feel blood gushing on getting up or moving. On 22nd Jan 2024, she got chest and dorsal back pain. जोर से उसको चेस्ट में और पीछे करस्पॉन्डिंग पॉइंट पे चेस्ट में और पीछे ऐसा दर्द उठा. She really panicked. Sorry. So it was basically because of acidity. But pain was very severe, and then she started her except for the hemorrhoids. Her lactation also stopped. Yeah. Still, she bleeds heavily and can feel blood gushing on getting up or moving. On 22nd Jan 24, she got chest and dorsal back pain, and it was due to acidity. So she took Pantop injection, but there was very severe pain, and then she had started getting hematemesis. So profuse blood was there. Her BP fell down, and she had to be admitted, and the endoscopically artery was clipped. She was also advised colonoscopy, but on colonoscopy, everything was normal except for the hemorrhoids. Her lactation had stopped early due to all these complaints. And looking at her personal life, she was a very vivacious, charming girl. She wanted to do graduation. She did BA in English literature. But during COVID, she shifted to Bhopal. The whole family shifted to Bhopal. She has one brother younger to her. There was always discrimination, but patient accepted in childhood. She was told, अगर तूने कोई लफड़ा किया, if she had any affair, her legs will be broken. अगर तूने कुछ किया affair तो तेरे टांगे तोड़ देंगे. But men can do what they want. So she's talking about the discrimination. Her husband was in love with a girl out of his community, but his mother convinced him, you can't marry outside our community. Our name will be spoiled. So to get him hooked, she got him married to her sister's daughter. This is how patient came in their life. Patient said, he is not romantic towards me, but writes shairis on Snapchat. I too write shairis, but he never responded in that way to me. He says, I am kiddish. बीवी कम बच्ची ज्यादा, as he has seen me from childhood. अभी they are cousins, first cousins. So बचपन से ही एक दूसरे को उन्होंने देखा हुआ है. So he says that you look more childish. तुम बीवी कम और बच्ची ज्यादा लगती हो. I used to do baby talk. Like she is like थोड़ा स्टाइल में बात करने वाली. तो ऐसा वो एक्शन से बात करती थी. वाओ सो नाइस बेबी, इस तरह से बात करती थी. तो वो उसके हस्बैंड को बहुत चाइल्डिश लगता था. He was still in love with his first love, जिसके साथ उसका अफेयर था, and he would talk to her on phone. Patient said, don't love me, but at least talk to me. So this is what women want. We are getting married. He used to avoid talking to me. He used to avoid me, insult me. But I accepted that time. Now I fight. तभी मैं दबती थी. He is short-tempered. I'm scared. During intercourse also, I overreacted to pain. I didn't feel loved. He's just physically present. Woman is just for kitchen and children. Our society is like that. Women have to tolerate. मर्द जात मर्द जात है ही ऐसी. She wanted to be pregnant to get diverted. जैसे उसका ध्यान बच्चे में बिजी हो जाए. She tested positive on 8th Feb and she went to tell him excitedly and saw him watching porn. So she was shocked. He lies, denies, doesn't open screen if asked to show. उसने झूठ बोल दिया कि नहीं मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर रहा था. तो उसने बोला स्क्रीन दिखाओ, तो वो स्क्रीन ओपन करने के लिए तैयार नहीं. And if she argues or fights, he runs out of room. They live in joint family with 3 generations. They have a huge house. So if he runs out from the bedroom, she cannot run after him and fight with him because it will create a scene in front of everyone. So patient can't say anything. Once patient was trying to hold him back, उसको बाहर नहीं जाने दे रही थी, तो he pushed her on bed. और फिर उसको थप्पड़े मारी. He did slap for a few times. It's normal. Patient is saying it's normal. I have seen it in my family too. I'm sorry. Patient tells mother-in-law, as she is her Masi too. She tells Masi, her mother-in-law tells her to keep quiet. She says, I will handle him. She scolds him, even hits him. Patient said, I don't like hurting माँ. वो मासी के लिए, अपनी mother-in-law के लिए बोल रही है. I don't like hurting माँ, as she is also not well. Recently, patient used husband's phone to call her best friend. He only told her, मेरे phone से कर. Then he saved her number and chatted with her romantically. Patient's friend was angry and she told patient. Patient confronted her husband. He denied at first, then had to confess in front of his mother. Patient's husband and brother-in-law once called patient out and talked to her aggressively. सब करते हैं chat, इतना क्या overreact करती है? Why do you keep a watch? Who checks their husband's phone? Does माँ check papa's phone? मतलब उसको ही डांट लगा दी कि तू ये सब नजर क्यों रखती है मेरे भाई के ऊपर. मतलब हस्बैंड और ब्रदर इन लॉ ने दोनों उसको घर से बाहर बुला के ये सब धमकियां दी, क्योंकि वो हमेशा अपनी मदर इन लॉ को बोल देती थी और मदर इन लॉ इसका साइड लेके वो अपने उसके हस्बैंड को डांट देती थी या मार भी देती थी कभी. Now the atmosphere in the family is like patient's father also has extramarital affair. Sorry, patient's father-in-law, not father. Patient's father-in-law too has extramarital affair, and her mother-in-law used to come to me for treatment. उसको मैंने नाजा दिया था, उसको बहुत delusion wrong suffered, delusion injured, being surroundings by, ये सब बहुत था. और वो किसी तरह से अपना फैमिली का नाम बचाने के लिए वो बर्दाश्त कर रही थी. She has been suffering from many years, this patient's mother-in-law. Though whole family knows about it, no one says anything. Patient's grandmother-in-law, in fact, blamed her mother-in-law because of her dark complexion. अभी ये इसकी जो मदर इन लॉ है, उसकी खुद की मदर इन लॉ को वो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थी, बट फादर इन लॉ के बोलने से ये शादी हुई थी. एंड दिस मदर इन लॉ इज लिटिल डार्क इन कॉम्प्लेक्शन, दो शी इज ब्यूटिफुल, शी इज डार्क इन कॉम्प्लेक्शन. तो मदर इन लॉ उसको ही ब्लेम करती है कि तू खूबसूरत नहीं है तो कहाँ उसको तो बाहर जाना पड़ेगा ना. सो दिस इज हाउ द फैमिली वैल्यूज आर. Patient gets furious, starts abusing, once went to hit him, got beaten up in return. She said, all my charm is gone. Now I have left him. Let him do what he wants. My health is getting spoiled. So this is the case. Now we will try to understand, what does patient want? Are her demands reasonable, justifiable? Do we want to change our society? And if yes, how to bring about this change? जो उसने भी बोला कि मर्द जात है ही ऐसी, औरत अगर अफेयर करती है तो उसकी टांगे तोड़ी जाती है, और मर्द जात अगर कुछ भी करती है तो उसके लिए कौन वॉच रखना चाहिए? तुम क्यों वॉच रखती हो अपने हस्बैंड के फोन पे? उसका अनमैरिड ब्रदर इन लॉ उसको बोल रहा है ये. सब लोग चैट करते हैं, उसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है? So this is what gender discrimination is there in our society. Patriarchy, where male dominated society is more in vogue. Devaluing women. औरत की कोई इज्जत नहीं है, पैर की जूती है औरत, औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन है. अभी जैसे इसकी मदर इन लॉ इसको ही बोल रही है कि तू काली है इसलिए तेरा हस्बैंड बाहर जाता है. इसकी मदर इन लॉ अपने बेटे को प्रोटेक्ट करती है. इसकी मदर इन लॉ ने अपनी बहन की बेटी को धोखे से शादी करके लेके आई, जबकि उसको पता था कि मेरे बेटे का अफेयर है. तो औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन है. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ ऑपरेशन, एंड द कंडक्ट ऑफ वुमेन इज फॉर इन्फ्लेटिंग मेल ईगो, ब्लरिंग ऑफ बाउंड्रीज. यहाँ पे मैरिज एक सेक्रेट बाउंड्री नहीं रहती है. अगर आप मेंटली चैट करने को सही समझते हो तो फिर फिजिकली भी चीट करने को आप कुछ इतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दोगे. मॉरल डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ द होल जनरेशन and extinction of moral values. Now, all this is responsible for female reproductive system complaints. This is the somatization language of symptoms. So, right from her pregnancy, where she had hyperemesis gravida, to her anemia, to her delivery, during delivery, she had this BP falling and pulse rate was falling. She had to undergo LSCS. She had PPH. Her lactation stopped and she got acidity too. So all these complaints are because of all these things, all these conflicts. So ग्रुप को पूछना है कि shall I continue? Mansi?
Yes, ma'am. If anyone wants to give any input, we can take it.
Yeah. क्या लगता है आपको केस के बारे में? एनीबडी? आई होप ऑल द डिटेल्स आर क्लियर.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody would like to share their understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
Uh, so this girl has tried to accommodate with the husband. Initially, she thought that they will be able to, be a compatible couple, but the marriage
Yes.
somehow went on the wrong track. And while growing up, also she saw that kind of a bias between the male and the female. But at
Yes.
that time, either she was very raw, or she has not seen the world as she saw after the marriage. She ignored it. But after the marriage, there was a clear difference. It was like a black and a white. See, so there is also physical violence and inequality which she is facing at every step, and there is no respect for her. No, the younger unmarried brother-in-law is coming and telling, and the kind of values the males of the family carry. So this is going on in generations in their family, and this girl is also trying to adjust, cope up, but वो defined भी है एक दो बार. She has raised her voice. It's not like she is simply, bearing like her mother-in-law was bearing. So because even that lady has suffered a lot, but this girl is giving back. She feels that the husband is answerable. She questions him, but return में what she is getting is that there is inequality, and maybe now she has understood that, as you have mentioned towards the end, that मैंने अपना health खराब कर लिया, and she has left him. So I do not know whether it is a proper separation or what, but yeah,
No,
she
no, no,
has.
no. It is not separation. She is living there only. But she
Okay.
has stopped bothering about all these things. Matlab, she has
Okay, she is
stopped
telling this.
reacting to it.
हाँ, but ma'am, these are the maintaining factors which will go on throughout the life. ऐसा तो होगा नहीं
Yes.
that situation will change. And abhi this illness is there, maybe she lands up later on in a different stage, different
Yes.
state. That is
She
pretty
has now
much.
also come with acidity and hematemesis. No, acidity से hematemesis होना मतलब ulceration, erosions वगैरह है तो ही होगा ना.
Hmm. And acidity is a sign of deep suppressed anger. And then
Yes.
hematemesis हुआ है. So such corroding ulcers were there in the stomach or esophagus, and so much of um, thing that she is not able to contain it all. वो पूरा निकल ही रहा है. So yeah, the situation she is not. The situation is definitely not favorable for her, and there is a gender bias, so sexual abuse and abuse in the marriage is seen. That is there. This is a thing, and she is understanding the condition in the family also, so the kind of values they are carrying.
Yes.
So this is what I understood about the case, ma'am.
Which remedy are you coming to?
Ma'am, Berberis is coming in mind.
Okay.
And the other remedy is like the females bearing the problems through the generations. So STDs also comes in mind.
Why Berberis?
Ma'am, discrimination and abuse.
Berberis का adaptation क्या है?
There is increased ambition in Barbaris. She wants to prove herself in the society. हाँ, वो तो that angle is missing in this case, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody else?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Very nice. Anybody would like to share their understanding? or we will move ahead? ठीक है, let's go on. So, as Shweta said, my entry point was women conscious of women suffering through ages. So, this is Asterias. So, what is women suffering through ages? It can be because of anticipated loss, terminated relationship, abandonment, death of loved one, loss of lover, losing a friend, self-disgust, inhibition, expression, forsaken, self-criticism, denied experience, misjudging others. This is because of environmental, where the animals go extinct, depression, disconnection, life unlived. इतनी यंग लड़की को जो चार्म होना चाहिए वो पूरा उसका चार्म चला गया है. An ancestral trauma. Suffering through ages is through generations. So there is lot of ancestral trauma. So if we go to the repertory, these are the rubrics: elements from abused after being sexually, which is gender discrimination; elements from abused sexually, rape, because he is not, doing the intercourse properly. It is painful. And he is just physically there. So there is no emotional connect. Elements from disappointment. उसने सोचा था कि ठीक है भाई, तूने दूसरे किसी से किया है, मेरे साथ अच्छे से बात तो कर, हमारी शादी होने वाली है. शादी हो भी गई, उसके बाद भी कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ. Anger from contradiction. Her anger is so strong, she abuses. He literally runs out from the room. इतना वो चिल्लाती है, abuse करती है, mother-in-law को बुला लेती है, मारने तक जाती है उसको. So there is a lot of anger seen in this patient. Aversion to husband. Confusion of identity as to his boundaries, personal and her personal boundaries. Delusion betrayed that she is. उसको लगा शादी के बाद शायद सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, लेकिन उसकी ही फ्रेंड का नंबर लेके उसकी ही फ्रेंड के साथ उसने रोमांटिक चैट चालू कर दिया. Delusion, one's space is being invaded. Their privacy is totally disturbed by all these intrusions. Delusion, conscious of women suffering through the ages. Irritability after coition, because coition is not the type of question she is imagining. With love, fondness, it is more of a forceful intercourse or a rape. Irritability, contradiction from. Quarrelsome in the noon. Noon is the peak of the day. इसके जो conflicts हैं वो भी इसी तरह के ही हैं. So the follow-up was, medicine was started on 22nd Feb. 1M single dose was given. On 8th March, no complaints, got normal menses. Then she was given SL for 1 month because she was traveling. And stock में 2 packets देके रखे थे, मतलब SOS कभी जरूरत पड़ी तो, but she had not taken it. She didn't require it. Then 10th April she came again. She got menses on 24th March. Acidity was there with vomiting and chest and back pain. Frequent motions were there. उसने कुछ बाहर का खाया था. And because of this, she was having chilliness in back with vomiting. Her husband is now loyal, no friction. Things are better. Her legs had pulling pain during menses. So mentally she has settled down. So I gave her 30 weekly doses for 1 month. because she was mainly getting physical complaints, vomiting and chilliness, and acidity was not going. So I thought we have to address to it at a local level also. Then on 24th June, she had piles. Now she doesn't get affected by husband going out with friends. And on 23rd July, she again got pregnant. And this time there are no issues. So this is the follow-up. Now about Asterias. Asterias is starfish, invertebrate, sea animal. So in evolution, it is at a very early age. But Asterias has lot of creative power. Creative power matlab they can reproduce their arm if it is cut off. So it is asexual reproduction also. But sexuality is also high. So they have a lot of nymphomania, sexual thoughts, lascivious. It has fire element. अगर आपने एस्टेरियास पढ़ा होगा तो उसमें एक्ने रोजेशिया है, ब्रेस्ट एब्सेसेस है, where there is lot of redness. So it has lot of fire element. Now fire, what is fire element? हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि इसमें आग है, इसमें fire है. तो fire helps one to progress. And there is also excitement, like anger is also fire element. Sexual desire is also fire element. Strong ambition is also fire element. There is a lot of drive. But due to sexual abuse and rape, which is forced intrusion or abuse, it leads to a lot of anger and mortification. And then it leads to disgust of sex or even kissing. They develop delusion of women suffering through ages and get aversion to their own children with guilt, as it is sensitive to moral impressions and strong responsibility to start with, but develops want of morals and responsibility aversion to. Neglecting children and aversion to housekeeping. ये सब बाद में later stage पे आता है, अभी तक ये patient में नहीं है. And estranged during menopause, ये सब भी आता है उसमें. So because basically Asterias rubens is a very strong remedy which has lot theme of independence and dependence also. Because of their high ambition, they can be dependent also. But early in evolution, that is why they are dependent also and have lot of emotional outbursts. So you will see lot of anger, lot of weeping, emotional excitement. So all these things are there in Asterias. So this is the case. If anybody wants to say anything. I had two more cases where this patriarchal society and gender discrimination was the main core, and why women have to do everything, why women have to tolerate everything. So for today's session, I felt this was the apt case. Anybody wants to say anything?
Yes, ma'am. We can use as a new age polycrest. यहाँ पे मतलब अभी जो हो रहा है फेमिनिज्म, जो अभी जैसे लिटिल गर्ल्स में या फिर लेडीज के अंदर वो जो आ रहा है थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियसनेस जैसे आपने बोला, तो उस हिसाब से लगता है कि ये रेमेडी अभी काफी यूज होने वाली है. और एक केस सर ने भी बताया था एस्टेरियस का, जहाँ पे वो एवर्जन टू चिल्ड्रन वाला जो है,
हाँ.
that is because of the previous guilt what she is carrying, and because of that there is aversion to her own children. So that case I remember सर ने सेमिनार में बताया था. Wonderful case and wonderful results.
I had 3 cases of Asterias, all young women.
Yeah.
And one was from a very liberal family, and she was like a son in that family, and she got married to a Haryanvi, where women are really considered pair ki jutti. So she used to have this patriarchal society ke against lot of anger. And another one, she had lot of childhood abuse. Her mother was schizophrenic, and she had a lot of acne rosacea
हम्म
and
एक्ने के लिए
severe
रेफर कर
dysmenorrhea.
हम्म
And she used to say, why women have to get periods? कभी तो मेल्स को भी एक पीरियड तो आना चाहिए जिंदगी में देखने के लिए कि पीरियड होता कैसा है.
हम्म
Then why women have to wear Mangalsutra? So those type of views she had.
हम्म
Yes, with women fighting back, this
हम्म
remedy can become really very, very common.
प्रिया
Thank you, Anita ma'am, for such a wonderful case and very nice explanation. And as Mansi said, we can use this remedy as a new age remedy because today's women are means they are educated, they understand, and they also want to rebel because they think मतलब पहले जैसा नहीं है, अभी बहुत सिचुएशन चेंज हुआ है. तो जैसे उनका एस्ट्रे का थिंकिंग होता है कि क्यों वुमन को ये सब झेलना है, क्यों हम लोग इससे मतलब वाई ऑलवेज मेल्स आर उनको ही सपोर्ट मिलता है, वुमन को क्यों नहीं है, एंड दे वांट टू रिबेल. सो दिस इज वेरी कॉमन नाउअडेज. मतलब अगर विलेज के भी लड़की है तो भी वो रिबेल करती है. मतलब पहले जैसा अभी सिचुएशन नहीं रहा है. तो वी कैन थिंक इन मेनी केसेस एंड वी कैन यूज दिस रेमेडी वेरी ऑफन विद द न्यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग. So very nice, and thank you so much, ma'am, for the wonderful case. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
थैंक यू मैम.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night. Thank you, ma'am.
Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.